Welcome back to my channel. Today, I'm going to tell you all about the new car multimedia player for GMC Sierra Chevrolet Silverado. The TPXINXIN Car Multimedia Player is designed for GMC Sierra and Chevrolet Silverado models from 2014 to 2019, enhancing the driving experience with advanced features. It features a 14.9-inch QLED touchscreen with a resolution of 1920 by 1200, providing a highly responsive display. The device is powered by the GT6 chipset with 8GB RAM and 128GB internal storage, with support for an additional 128GB through dual TF/microSD slots, operating on an Android OS. Audio capabilities include 4x50W output power, RCA audio interface, and built-in speakers and microphone. It supports various media formats, CD, DVD, MP3, MP4, etc., and offers a DSP function for premium sound customization. Connectivity features encompass built-in Wi-Fi, Bluetooth, 3G/4G support, GPS navigation, and CarPlay for smartphone integration. The multimedia player also facilitates driving assistance features, including parking track support, steering wheel control, and multilingual support with over 70 OSD languages. Constructed from high-quality ABS, it is classified as a double DIN type, weighing 5 kilograms, and operating on a 12V voltage. It comes with a 2-year warranty and is certified by CE, FCC, RoHS, among others, making it a versatile and safe addition to the vehicle's infotainment system. Thanks for watching. Check out the video description for updated price.